Hello friends, welcome to Ikra Technology. Let's learn about Python date and time. So there is a module in Python called as date time to work on date and time in Python. So you can use that module by importing it. Simply you have to write import date time and it imports the module into your program. There are certain functions in it. First is strf time, which converts the date object into a string format by the given format. So there are certain format codes you have to remember while using that function. So this is the format code. If you want to print day of a month, like date from 1 to like 31, any month, any day, you have to use mod D. Then suppose if you want to print full month name, then you have to use mod B. Or suppose you want to print 4-digit year, then you have to use mod capital Y. This is how you can use different format codes to get different outputs. So suppose you want to get today's date, so let's see this with an example. Import date time. See, we have this date time module, and now I want today's date. So let me create a variable today is equals to date time dot now. This function gives you today's date in date object format, and now I want to convert it into like a string format. So in what format I want date? So I want date in the format we use here, which is ddmmyy. So what you can do is you can write mod d separated by dash, and then for like month I'll use small m, and then we have I want full year, like 4-digit year. So for that we have capital Y. Now let's print this date and see. See, we are getting today's date in our ddmmyy format. We can make this date in different formats also as per our requirement, but this is the standard format. Now let's see one more example. What is happening here? Here I have given a birth date in a string. Okay, so now there is another function called as strp time. What it does is it converts the given string into date object. Okay, so what we are doing here is we are calculating the age from the given birth date string. So this strp time function takes two things. First, the string which you want to convert into date object, and second, the format of the given string, so that it can understand, okay, this is day, this is month, and this is year. Now here, as we want to calculate birthday, what we do is we subtract the today's date from our birth date. So what's happening here is we are calculating age. What we are doing is we are subtracting today's year from birth year. Okay, so what is today's year? 2024. And what is birth year? 2002. So we are getting 22 here, and now we have a minus symbol, and here we have bracket. So we go from bracket to bracket. Now there is a possibility. Okay, what is the possibility? That birthday has not arrived yet, or birthday is gone. If birthday is gone, then we will keep the age as it is. But if birthday is not came yet, which means the birthday is in further months, then we have to subtract 1 again, right? So how to do that is we will check today month, and today's day is less than birthday, birth month, and birthday, which means whatever will be the today's month, it will compare it with the birth month. So today's month is November. Okay, and birth month is August, right? So November is less than August? No, condition is false, right? And today's day is less than the birthday? No, condition is again false. So as the condition is false, it here in this bracket we will get 0. See, this is checking a boolean expression, right? So boolean expression either gives you true or gives you false. If it gives you true, see, if it gives you true, it will subtract one more here, but if it gives you false, then it will not subtract any more here. So let's quickly revise what we learned in this module. In Python, to work on date and time, there is a dedicated module which you need to import to use its function. So there are certain functions in Python date time module. The dot now function gives you the today's date in date object format, and to convert it into the string of our required format, we have to use strf time. What strf time does is it converts the date object into string format with the given format. And next we have is strp time. What it does is it converts the given string date into the date format. This strp time takes two parameters. First is the string which you want to convert it into date object, and the second thing is the format in which the string is given. Then here are certain format codes which you need to remember or memorize in order to work with these functions. Here we have calculated the age by subtracting the today's year from the birth year. Then we are checking if the today's month is less than the birth month, then we will subtract one more year, but if it is not, then we will not subtract. So that's how we calculated the age here. So yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you.